Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your phone number from your Google account, and we are going to do this on a PC and then also on a mobile phone. I'm going to use an iPhone, but it should work on any Android phone also. So I'll open my browser with my Google account already signed in. So all I have to do is to click on the account icon at the top right corner. Click on that and then select the manage your Google account option. From there, you want to click the personal info option on the left and click the phone option on the right. From there, you want to click that and then go ahead and select the delete icon at the top right to delete your phone number, and then click the remove number to delete or to remove your phone number from your Google account. So this is how to do it on a PC. So now let's look at how you can do it on an iPhone. It should work, like I said, on any Android phone as well. So on this phone, I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser with my account already signed in, and again I will tap on the account icon at the top right, then select the three dots on the left side of the account icon, tap that and select the manage your Google account option. From there, you want to tap the personal info again and tap on the phone option. After that, you want to tap on your mobile number as shown there, and then again you have to select the delete icon at the top right to delete the mobile phone number from your account. Sometimes you may need to verify your account by typing your password. After typing the password, you will see the remove number option. Tap on that to delete your phone number completely from your Google account. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share this video for more of such videos. Bye for now.